is this taking so long?
Who's got you, Peanut?
Yeah.
Who has you? Who is that? Yay! Who's holding peanut butter?
Okay.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Who looks so comfortable holding you? Who's that? Yeah, you like it. You like it? Uncle Eric. Oh, are you standing on Uncle Eric?
Are you finished now?
Oh, we like Uncle Eric. We look at him. Yay! Yay, Uncle Eric! Yay!
Vivian, she needs to go now.
Yay, Uncle
Will you please take her?
Yay! Yay, Uncle Eric! Yay! Yay!
I'm going to put her on the floor. What are you doing? I'm going to put her on the floor. Is that a video camera? Oh my god. Like, what the hell is taking you so long to take the damn picture? I'm putting her on the floor now.
Yay! No.
Would you take the child?
Can you give me the video I want and then I'll turn it off?
You got video.
I'm crying. Yay! Who's that? You step on Uncle Eric. Yes, you step on Uncle Eric. Yes. Look how comfortable he is holding you. It's great. Peanut? Peanut, where's Uncle Eric? Huh?
Will you please take the child?
Oh, you're spitting up, Uncle Eric.
Ew, ew, no. Ew. Okay, take her. Take her.
Uncle Eric likes babies.
Take her. Ew.
Don't drop my baby, Uncle.
I'll
You gotta
take
hold
her.
her.